Displaying your artwork. First, we need to cut off any uneven edges of our paper. To get a nice straight line, we can use our paper cutter. Put the edge of the paper that you want to cut off underneath the plastic part of the paper cutter. Slide it until it's right at the end of where you want to cut it off. The edge of the plastic is where it cuts along. Push the paper down along the metal so it's right alongside to get a nice straight cut. Place one hand on top and pull the cutter down. You can do this on all the edges that you need to cut off, so it could be the top to get off the holes or any of the borders that you maybe want to clean up on your artwork. Naming your artwork. The title of your artwork is very important. It will help the person looking at your artwork have some more information about your artwork. So make sure to think of a title that not only connects with your artwork, but goes beyond what they see. Now you need to write an artist statement for your artwork. An artist statement is just some sentences that explain how you made your artwork and what it is about to help the person looking at it know more about your art. Depending on which way your artwork is facing will change where you're going to put your artist statement. If your artwork is landscape, sideways, then you're going to put your artist statement beside it. If your artwork is portrait, up and down, then you're going to put your artist statement below. So make sure you grab the right paper to do your artist statement on based on your artwork. Once you have filled out your artist statement, you're going to mount it with your artwork on colored paper. You need to decide what color you want to put your artwork on. So maybe just try a few different colors and see which one you like best. Once you have the color that you like best, place both your artwork and your artist statement on. Take the glue, making sure you put it up just a little bit, and glue the back of your artwork. Not all over like this, but going around the edges and then making an X from corner to corner. Once you have glue on, put it on your colored paper, but not like this. Make sure it is nice and straight and that it is even on all sides, so right in the center. Being extra careful so we are displaying our best work. Then we can do the same thing with the artist statement, gluing around the edges on the back and then getting it nice and center, so not like this, lined up straight so that there's even space all the way around. If your artwork is the other way, you're still going to put it on colored paper, putting glue on the edges and then make an X. Again, making sure it is nice and straight and centered, maybe picking it up and straightening it if you have to, gluing it all the way down and doing the same thing with your artist statement, being really careful as you glue it down. If you have a 3D artwork like a clay piece or something else, you are still going to get a colored paper to put your 3D work on top of, and then you are going to glue your artist statement onto that colored paper. So again, making sure it is nice and straight, gluing around the edges, and then lining it up underneath where your 3D paper is going to sit, nice and straight. Now our artwork is ready to be displayed in the art show. Make sure you get those glue stick lids back on after you twist it all the way down.